Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to show file extension in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to show file extension, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start, type here Control Panel, click on Control Panel. After click on File Explorer, click on View. And here, hide extension for no file types. So uncheck this box. There is. After click on Apply, click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show file extension in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.